So in this Wise tutorial video, I will be showing you how to close your account on the Wise application. So once Wise is opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once that is done, go to the top left and select your profile icon. Once you're on this page right here, I just want you to scroll down just past settings to where it says actions and agreements. And if you were to scroll down enough right here, at the bottom it says close your account, close your personal account. Go ahead and select that. Then right here, you can answer a few questions as to why you're closing your account. So if I just wanted to go ahead and type in, I'm not using my account anymore, I can then go ahead and select that. If this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and press close account. So in my case, it actually is grayed out, so it's not working. But if it's lit up right there, you can then select close your account. And then you can proceed with closing your account on the Wise application. So that's how you guys can close your account on Wise. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.